everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing Fairy Will's toothbrush. And it's an electric toothbrush. Alright. First, this is the toothbrush. It comes in a nice case. That's the base with all those buttons. We'll figure out what those all mean later. So there's 2 hard bristle brushes and 2 soft bristle brushes, as well as replacement heads over here. All these are soft bristles. Awesome. So first things first, let's just put this together. Just snap it on there. And let's see if it works. Oh, so you see how that is, it's vibrating really quick. I don't know if you can tell. And we're going to turn it off. It comes with this, simply plug it in and use it again. So that is the Fairy Will toothbrush. For more product reviews, please make sure to subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you think about this. If you are interested in purchasing it, the link is below. Other than that, keep on watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.